Why does your scanner show the P0017 engine code? What does it mean? P0017 is a diagnostic trouble code for crankshaft position or camshaft position correlation. Bank 1 sensor B. It indicates that the camshaft position sensor B for bank 1 does not correlate to the signal from the crankshaft position sensor. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car: timing chain or belt issues, camshaft position sensor problems, crankshaft position sensor issues, variable valve timing issues, low or dirty engine oil. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Chevrolet, BMW, Honda, Nissan, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.